A garden is simply not complete without the beauty of bulbs. And people say to me, oh, they're so expensive and they only come up once and they only flower for a few days, but my goodness me, could you beat this beauty? It is beyond, and this purple iris has to be one of my favorite. It's called the Dutch iris. We plant them very close together. These are spring flowering, so they were planted in May earlier in the year. You can plant them anytime from April moving forward. Now these bulbs have grown during the winter and are now flowering in spring. And these Dutch irises with their little yellow lips, and that little yellow lip there is the landing strip for bees. So the bees come along and they can see that, and in they go for pollination. They flower for a week. They're most beautiful. They remind me of my mom. And I know that what happens from here is that they start dying back. You can see this guy's over. They start dying back. I leave them to die back completely. So don't cut them off. Let them die back. They're in amongst the helichrysum. We don't disturb them, and we leave them here until next season, because next season they will flower again. Remember, if you are putting bulbs in a section of the garden where they are not going to be disturbed by humans, put them in amongst perennial plants. So in amongst your helichrysum, in amongst your agapanthus, around your grasses, where they can just grow year after year after year. If you've got molds, folks, there are ways around that. Put the bulbs into a pot and bury the pot, and then they are safe from harm's way from the mold. But whether it's a yellow iris, whether you are planting summer of beautiful amaryllis, and even if it's a pink iris, there's one for you, and they are beautiful.